Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Good evening, student. I am SK sir. Today I am going to discuss how to derive metal from given elements. So, in first video, we see and observe about the metals and its features. Now, we see if an element contains one valence electron, it is metal except hydrogen. Examples: lithium, sodium and potassium. Now here we have to understand that now if any element like lithium, we know that Z of lithium is 3, so we write electronic configuration 1s2 2s1. First we derive its valence electron. We know that its outermost shell is 2s1, so its valency is 1. Now in above conditions it is told that if number of valence electron is 1, then it is said to be metal. So here it proved that lithium is metal because its valence electron is 1. Now if we see in sodium, now we know that sodium, Z of sodium is 11. We write electronic configuration 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s1. We know that its outermost shell is 3s1, so its valence electron is 1. In this way we derive very easily the valence electron, so it is called as a metal according to given conditions. Now we see in potassium, we know that Z of potassium is 19, so we write electronic configuration 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 3p6 and 4s1. Here outermost shell is 4s1, so valence electron is 1. It is called as metal. Here it is also given as escaped hydrogen because hydrogen also 1s1. You know that Z of hydrogen is 1. We write electronic configuration 1s1. Now its valence electron is 1 because its outermost shell is 1s1, so it present electron as 1, so valence electron is 1, but it comes under the non-metal, so it does not include in metal. We see the next condition: if an element contains 2 valence electron, it is a metal. Now example: beryllium, magnesium and calcium. Escaped helium because helium is a noble gas, as it also known as a inert gas, so we can't include helium in this. Beryllium, we know that Z of beryllium is 4, so we write electronic configuration 1s2 2s2, and here the outermost shell is 2s2, and in this cell number of electron is 2, so valence electron is 2, so it is a metal. Now next we see in magnesium, we know that Z of magnesium is 12. So we write electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6 and 3s2. Outermost shell is 3s2. So number of electron that present in this valence shell is 2. So valence electron is 2. So it is said to be metal. Now we see in calcium, we know that Z of calcium is 20. So we write electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6 and 4s2. We know that outermost shell of the calcium is 4s2. So valence electron is 2. So it is said to be metal. Now in third condition, we see that if an element include 3 valence electron except boron, because boron is a non-metal, so it is called as metal. We know that in aluminium, we write electronic configuration of aluminium. Now Z of aluminium is 13, so we write electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p1. We know that 3s2 and 3p1 is the valence shell, so in this cell present number of electron 3. So valence electron of aluminium is 3. In this way we get 3 valence electrons, so it is said to be metal. So we easily derive metal from given elements. If you like this video, give comments. Thanks for watching this video.